So this is version 1, model 1, one of these popular little helicopters, and what I've done is I've taken what's called a keychain camera. It's sold on eBay by these guys in China for like 40 bucks or something, and it turns out that it's got an amazing camera. So that's full high definition camera. I don't know if you can see the lens, there it is. Anyway, I've modified it a bit. It was hanging out the back here before, so I flipped it around and just it's on there with Velcro. We're going to take it for its first flight, see what happens.